Are you struggling with GCSE chemistry, especially the topic of metals and their reactions? Well, stick around for this video where we are going to have a look at what a redox reaction is and have a look at it in terms of gain and loss of electrons. So in the previous video, I explained to you guys what a redox reaction is in terms of gain and loss of oxygen. So before we do anything, you need to make sure you have your chemical equation, and we need to be able to show our oxidation states of our elements. That an element has an oxidation state of 0. So this is just magnesium element. So this is going to have an oxidation state of 0. Again, oxidation state of 0. Now here, how can I work out the oxidation states of these two? These are quite simple and straightforward. I just need to work out what the charges on the ions are, and those are going to be equal to the oxidation states. So you should be able to work out the charges on both of these ions according to your periodic table. This is in group 2, so it has 2 extra electrons in its outer shell. Therefore, it loses those 2 electrons to become a 2 positive charge ion. And this is in group 6. It has 6 electrons in its outer shell. Therefore, it gains 2 extra electrons to become a -2 charge overall. And I only have 1 magnesium and 1 oxygen in a single molecule of the compound. So these are going to be my oxidation states for magnesium and oxygen. So +2 here and -2 here. Now we have figured out the oxidation states for each of our elements or ions in this case. Then we can go ahead and conclude which of these is being oxidized and which of these is being reduced. So magnesium started off with the oxidation state of 0 and it lost 2 electrons to become a +2 charge overall. Let's go back to our oil rig. Remember where its oxidation is loss of electrons, reduction is gain of electrons. So here, magnesium lost 2 electrons to become positive charge overall. So here, magnesium is showing oxidation. Again, started off with a 0 charge, but now it ended up being a 2- charge overall. So it must have gained 2 negative electrons to become 2- charge overall. So here, oxygen element has gained 2 electrons to become an oxide ion. So this process here is showing reduction because reduction is gain of electrons.